It's time. Daylight savings time ends on Sunday. That's when you turn your clocks back 1 hour. Fall into the habit of changing the batteries on your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms.
Protect yourself and your family from fire and CO dangers in your home.
A fire occurs in a home at a rate of 1 in every 88 seconds. There have been 86 fire deaths in the state of Tennessee this year alone. The NFPA has estimated that 3 out of 5 fire deaths occur in homes with no or non-working smoke alarms.
There are over 400 deaths every year from unintentional CO poisoning. This includes portable generators and home heating systems.
Test the alarms monthly and change the batteries yearly. Confirm that a smoke alarm is on every level of your home, inside each bedroom, and outside the sleeping areas. CO alarms should also be placed on every level of your home and outside the sleeping areas.
Change the batteries in your smoke and CO alarms now. Keeping your home and family safe is that easy.
If you need a free smoke alarm, call our office at 931-645-7462 or visit tn.gov/fire.